Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for May 22nd, 2018. For your Tuesday, we're going to have showers rolling through the region today with this system moving off to our north, and it's actually pulling a warm front through our region. But this is not going to be a repeat of last week. I know many of you are sick and tired of the rainfall after we had a very busy rainfall week last week, and this is just going to be a quick in and out thing, probably mid-morning through mid-afternoon in most places in our coverage area. We'll start a little bit sooner and end a little quicker out in central Pennsylvania, but really not a whole lot of rain we're dealing with this. Highest amounts will be across northeastern Pennsylvania, and then once we get in the afternoon, this is going to start to die down, and late afternoon we're going to just have just mainly cloudy skies continuing until the overnight, until a cold front is pulled through the region. It's hard to see that right here. Well, we have a cold front back here that's going to be moving through the region overnight, and that's going to give the opportunity for some scattered thunderstorms. Looks like it's just a one quick line, though, moving through overnight, and then any morning clouds on Wednesday will give way to partly cloudy skies here in the afternoon. A very nice day coming up here on Wednesday, also with lowering humidity, and those low humidity values are going to last through the day on Thursday as well before we start to increase going into the holiday weekend. Here's a look at 6 a.m. on the high-res future simulated radar from the 3-kilometer NAM, and here you can see some rain moving across parts of the region. Again, mainly western Pennsylvania, northeastern Pennsylvania at this point. Could be some embedded heavy rain initially with this wave coming in, and then here's 7, 8, 9. So by the time we get to mid-morning, it's reached almost to the Delaware River here, and it's going to continue in New Jersey. So most areas will see early to mid-morning start, and then going into early to the middle part of the afternoon for an end time. So this is just showers for the most part moving eastward. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. So you start to wind down here now in central Pennsylvania. And then you're going to get a little bit of a break from late afternoon through the evening. You know, the wave moving off to our south here. And then in the overnight hours, we will have the opportunity for scattered thunderstorms. Now, they could be a little bit strong out here in central Pennsylvania. You have to watch those areas, some isolated strong storms. But this is coming at nighttime, so you're losing you obviously lost daytime heating at 11 p.m., which is what I'm showing you here. And then we move further east, it's going to start to fall apart as it heads further east. So you might get away with not getting anything down in these areas, but just some scattered thunderstorms moving through on either side of midnight, it looks like. So this will not be hanging around, and then by the time we get to Wednesday morning, there's nothing there. Maybe some maybe early morning clouds giving way to sun on Wednesday, and then much warmer. So today you're going to be stuck in probably the 68 to 72 degree range across from north to south, and then we're going to get back up close to the 80 degree mark here on Wednesday, and then maybe into the 80s by the time we get to Thursday. And here's a look at Thursday. High pressure is in control. Still a northwesterly flow around this high pressure. High pressure sitting over the eastern Great Lakes, so we still have a northwesterly flow here coming around this high, and so we still have a low humidity day here on Thursday, but we are also mostly sunny on Thursday, and that mostly sunny trend continues into Friday, and even warmer yet, probably getting up closer to the middle 80s for high temperatures here on Friday. And now I do think Saturday, then we're getting the holiday weekend now starting on Friday unofficially. I count the holiday weekend as Friday through Monday. So the first 2 days of the holiday weekend, both Friday and Saturday, look okay. We're going to allow for a stray shower or thunderstorm for our southwestern areas. You can see this is not really showing up too much here at all. But you will have the opportunity, maybe a 20% chance of somewhere getting a quick shower or thunderstorm, but otherwise most areas remain dry here on Saturday as well. So of the actual weekend, this is the better of the 2 days, it looks like. After that point, there's a little bit of uncertainty with how this evolves. GFS tries to bring a cold front through overnight, and the European model is keeping it up here to the north. So it's going to be a little bit, we're a little undecided here on the latter part of the weekend exactly how that evolves. We can look at it optimistically and say the GFS forecast for the cold front moving through Saturday night, and then a nice Sunday and Monday looks better, but we can't forecast on what looks better. It has to be what makes the most sense. And right now, since at least one model, the European model, is suggesting there's going to be some opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, even though it's not the whole day, because here's Sunday morning. There's really nothing going on here at this point. As in the latter part of the day, you have at least an isolated, if not scattered, chance for a thunderstorm on Sunday. And then once we get into Monday, we have the opportunity for a little bit more, maybe a little higher chance for scattered activity. But you can see this is not an all-day washout on either case. So even the worst case scenario right now is just showing the opportunity for maybe afternoon and evening scattered showers and thunderstorms to roll through, but that's probably your upside. So we're not looking at any heavy rain in that period, so if you have anything planned outdoors, don't cancel them. Just keep abreast of the radar and take a look at it every once in a while. Make sure you know what's coming, because and follow our forecast throughout the week, of course, because this is evolving, and we will fine-tune this as we get a little bit closer. I know it's very important. This is really the first real getaway weekend here, so we're also going to have beach forecast this week for the first time this season for all of our New Jersey, Delaware, and Ocean City, Maryland shore points, and that's going to be every Thursday prior to every single weekend through the entire summer up through Labor Day weekend. So we're going to start that again this week. This Thursday is when we start those beach forecasts. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for May 22nd, 2018. Have a great Tuesday.